automation. Now we have workflow, we have campaign, and we have triggers. So I will explain the difference between these three. Your campaign, this is where you can put maybe your email, your SMS, and some other stuff. Then your trigger is to fire. The main function of your trigger is to fire your campaign so that it can start working. But workflow now has both the campaign functionality and the trigger functionality. That is, in most accounts today, you can see campaign and trigger, or you can see workflow. So you can actually use workflow, but you can create folder to make your work very accurate and neat as well. But just come to create workflow, so you can start from scratch. You can import from campaign in case you have campaign. Then this is for appointments booking, for appointments reminder. These are some kind of templates you can actually use if it fits whatever whatever you want to do. So I can come to start from scratch to show you how it works. Now, this is the entry point. What should fire this workflow? That's what we'll be working on. And this is the name of your workflow. Might be appointment reminder, or maybe lead, it might be lead follow up. So what do? I come here. Now, if it's for lead follow up, that is whenever a form is submitted. So I'll click on form submitted. Is it just other form, normal form, Facebook lead form, or TikTok? So I can say just form submitted. Now, then when I click on this filter, you can see form is, I can select which form. But if in case I have my Facebook form as well, everything, and I might make it to fire to trigger it as well. But instead of doing all of this, I can just use this to say lead created. Let me see. There's one you can see. So when a contact is created, is either through Facebook, through form, through survey, or through manual input, or through bulk import. So you can see contact created. So now this for all contacts. Then I click on save trigger. Then I can make some other ones as well. Maybe by the reminder, you can see know that dead, order submitted. You can just check through video tracking and so on. Then what's the first action I want it to perform? So the first action is when the contact is created, I want it to wait. I tell him wait. I don't just want to tell just enter their inbox immediately. I wait for 3 hours. So I'll change this to hours. So I can name it three, wait for 3 hours. So I can actually know what this action is for. Now I can also do advanced window. That is wait for 3 hours once is a work day. That is either Monday to Friday. I don't want this campaign to work on Saturday and Sunday. She only work only between the hours of 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. So that's that. So wait for 3 hours. Then after 3 hours, I want it to send an email. Now, this from name, maybe the name of the company, but I don't want to be typing the name of our company every time. So I'll just come to this. I'll click on accounts. Then here, account name is going to fill it automatically. Then same as account email, that's your location email. It will fill automatically. Then the subject, maybe welcome. I want it to mention my name. So this will be contacts. I want us to understand the difference. We have contacts, we have user, and we have account. The account is the agency itself, the owner, the details of this account. But when it comes to this user, we might have 5 different users under this account. So if I choose user, it's going to send to that user. But this contact is going to send using the user details. But this contact is someone who filled the form. So I just want to make some kind of personalization. Welcome. So it's going to put the full name. But if I want it to just be the first name, you can see last name. So let's make it this way. Now, message template will still go here, but none. Now I can type here. Hello. welcome to, so I don't want to type my company name, I can just say accounts. We are glad to have you. We look forward to working with you more and more. Thanks. Then the name of the company, so that's account, that's name. You see, so I can save now. Now I can use my put my mail here and test to see how it works. Then maybe I want to give it maybe after 10 minutes again. I want it to perform another action. We want to send SMS. You see, I save. Then I want to perform another action. So I'll be explaining some of these. These are for premiums. Then is either you send email, SMS, that is you want it to place a call. Then this voicemail, that is I have the voice note recorded already. So I'm just going to upload the audio file, and it's going to call the user and just say exactly and play the recording. Just play the recording. That's for the voicemail. Then send a Facebook Messenger, then Instagram email, manual SMS. That is, it will just tell the user to type consumer call, add to affiliate manager, then add contact tag, remove contact tag. So we still work on opportunities later on. Then add to note, maybe you want to assign to different user. So you can see which user, let's say for instance, we have different users. Now I can see assign to this user, this user, this user. So it's going to assign. You can see now split traffic should be equally or evenly. Now if it's equally, when we have three leads, it's going to give me one, Alicia one, and Rihanna one. But if it's uneven, so when we have, let's say for instance we have five lead or six lead now, I want this guy can handle more. I want this guy to handle three. I want this guy to handle two. So you know it's going to be sending everything in the ratio 3 to 2 and 1. So that's for assign to user. Then let's say for instance I want it to notify. You can see send internal notification. The internal notification comes in three ways. Is either to email, that is when a new lead is created, you want to receive an email or notification on your Gohighlevel account, or an SMS. Now if it's an email, I can see who should receive this notification. Is it all user, assign user, particular user, or custom email? Now if it's custom email, I can just put the email of every guys in my team here, or here, and separate it with a comma. Or I can say all users email. Then here I can say from, you can still remember this, account name, account email, subject, you have a new lead. Now I can say you have a new lead. Here are the details. Full name. So I want you to put the name of the new lead. That's contact, email, reach out to him immediately. So I can save the action. That's for internal notification. So that's just how you are going to work. So you can use your condition statement as well. So that's how it works. So just play around it. Thank you. Then once you are done, all you just need to do is come here to publish and you save, and that's all. Thank you.